Hi there, this is Tom from German PHP magazine. I'm here with Ilia Alshanetsky.
Hi.
Hello. You've had a session called the Bottleneck Analysis.
Yep.
Would you like to summarize it?
Yeah, so it was a quick overview of the different parts of the web stack, starting from the browser all the way to the internals of the server, and helping people identify what are the flaws that may exist in terms of applications, and show some of the tools and some of the things that they can do to identify those flaws. So not necessarily solutions, but in terms of how to identify problems to hopefully help people get to the solution.
And what are the main flaws?
Well, it depends on which aspect. I mean, I think the first bit is that a lot of developers look at the application in terms of how quickly their code is running, as opposed to taking a look at it from a user perspective and seeing how quickly it loads for the customer, if you will, in terms of their website. And looking at things of how long the JavaScript and CSS and all those elements take to load. So effectively taking a holistic look at the entire web experience as opposed to just the piece that they're working on. So I think that was really the first takeaway. And aside from that, just introducing a variety of tools to help people identify issues on a server, in terms of the web server, in terms of PHP, in terms of caching system, databases, of course. You can't have a talk about scalability and performance without giving a due note to databases. So a little bit of everything. I think that's probably the best way of outlining it.
Great, thank you. I hope you had a good time in Berlin. So
Yeah.
you're staying one more day.
Yes, one more day. I mean, since I arrived on the weekend, the weather has been tremendous. So absolutely no complaints about the weather. I had a day and a half of being able to wander around town, see the sights, play with my new camera. So tomorrow I'm probably going to join in a few talks, maybe squeeze in an hour or two of do a little bit more sightseeing before I have to fly back home. So okay, that's sort of the plan.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
I hope to see you again.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye.